acid are long chains and nucleotides. Its nucleotide consists of nitrogen-based cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. 5-carbon sugar molecule deoxyribose phosphate molecules. Nitrogenous bases are molecules that contain nitrogen and have the chemical properties of a base. We can see the nitrogenous bases C, G, A, and P. The sugar molecule deoxyribose as S, and the phosphate molecules denote as P. The backbone of the nucleotide chain, while the nucleotide are the sugar and phosphate molecules. Each sugar group is then linked to one to 4 nitrogenous bases. Different between chromosomes, genes, and DNA. Inside the cell in the nucleus, which is the control center. Inside the nucleus are chromosomes, thread-like structures made up of DNA rolled around proteins called histones. Genes are sequence of DNA that code for a molecule that has a function. Sometimes genes code act as instruction to make proteins.
Protein synthesis. What are proteins? They are composed of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. Are large, highly complex molecules made in the ribosome and contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. They are present in all living things. These are essential to the human body as it plays many important. What are the roles and function of proteins? Number 1. Channel and membranes control the body of molecules in and out of the cell. Number 2. Structural molecules, for example, making up hair or muscle in animals. Number 4. 3. Hormones to regulate the activity of cells. Number 4. Antibodies in the immune system. Number 5. Enzymes to act as catalysts in biological system. For more information, DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA or ribonucleic acid work together to produce proteins from genetic codes. Genetic codes are found in DNA or RNA, which is made up of nucleotide bases, usually in trees, that code for the amino acids making up the proteins.
It is a nucleic acid present in all living cells that has structural similarities DNA. Unlike DNA, however, RNA is most often single-stranded. RNA molecule has a backbone made of alternating phosphate groups and the sugar ribose, rather than the deoxyribose found in DNA. 3 types of RNA. Number 1. Messenger RNA. Transcribe the DNA nucleotide bases to RNA nucleotide bases. Ribosomal RNA. Binds the mRNA and tRNA to ensure the codons are translated correctly. Transfer RNA. Translate the mRNA codons into the correct amino acids. The 2 stages of protein synthesis are: number 1, transcription, number 2, translation. Transcription is process of copying a segment of DNA into RNA, while translation is the process of translating messenger RNA into a protein. Genetic codes are found in DNA or RNA, which is made of nucleotide bases, usually in trees, that code for the amino acids making the proteins. Especially, the DNA genetics codes have mRNA codon counterparts determined during transcription. Since you already learned about RNA codon,